The Audi A8L is a sedan that represents status and exudes authority. Now that it has been reworked, its exterior is even more representative, confident, and athletic. The base of the singliform grille is now wider, and chrome angles that increase in size from bottom to top adorn its grid. The side air intakes are more upright and just as freshly styled as the headlights, whose lower edge on the outside creates a distinctive contour. To summarize, the newly designed and precisely orchestrated design elements in the front area significantly increase the A8's presence and authority and sharpen the profile of the brand's top model. From a side view, the luxury sedan's progressive character is particularly eye-catching. The roof dome runs flat. Stretched lines in the body of the car emphasize its length. Wide wheel arches hint at the standard Quattro drive system. In all model variants, the rocker panel area has a concave shape and ends in a blade pointing toward the road. The rear is dominated by wide chrome clasps, a customizable taillight signature with digital OLEDs, and a continuous, segmented light strip. The diffuser insert in the bumper is delicately accentuated and redesigned with horizontal bars. The interior of the A8 is comparable with a spacious, widely tailored lounge. It offers open, feel-good space. Its architecture is strictly horizontally oriented to emphasize its width. The formal language is still always restrained. In the dark, the ambient light package plus elegantly stages the interior, and there are reading lights in the rear that use matrix LED technology. The high-quality workmanship underscores the A8 interior's workshop character. That goes for the precise perforations in the seat covers, the electrically opening and closing decorative trim, the air vent doors, or the velvety leather in the comfort headrests. The seats are upholstered with Valletta leather as a standard feature. Alternatively, Valcona leather is also available as an option with the possibility of choosing the new color cognac brown. New to the program is the sustainable microfiber material Dinamica for the door panels, which can also be used for the pillar trim or the roof lining as an option. The range of seats and seat equipment in the enhanced A8 is varied, very comfortable, and radiates the highest degree of authority, especially for the back seats, where many options are available. The relaxation seat in the A8L is the apex of the program. It offers numerous adjustment options and a footrest on the back of the passenger seat. Passengers can use it to have the bottoms of their feet warmed and massaged to various degrees. The relaxation seat package includes a back massage with 18 pneumatic cushions, electrically adjustable comfort headrests, an optional continuous center console, also available with optional fold-out tables, 4-zone deluxe automatic air conditioning, and the new screens in the rear. A cooler including a bar compartment in the Audi exclusive program emphasizes the comfort of the environment. Accelerate the timeline. The powerhouse available within the Audi A8L is a formidable 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. It generates 453 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque, rocketing you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.5 seconds. One highlight of the V8 is the cylinder-on-demand system, which temporarily deactivates 4 cylinders for moderate driving. The engine are connected to a fast and gently toggling 8-step Tiptronic. Thanks to an electric oil pump, The automatic transmission can change gears, even when the combustion engine is not running. The constant all-wheel drive Quattro with the self-locking center differential is standard, optionally supplemented with the sport differential. It actively distributes torque between the rear wheels during fast cornering and thereby makes the handling even sportier and more stable. The standard suspension system in the enhanced Audi A8 impresses with its balanced character. It combines sporty driving fun with confident comfort, due in part to the distinct driving profiles that the Audi Drive Select handling system has on hand. The adaptive air suspension with controlled damping is standard. Progressive steering is another standard feature. The engine are connected to a fast and gently toggling 8-step Tiptronic. Thanks to an electric oil pump, the automatic transmission can change gears, even when the combustion engine is not running. The constant all-wheel drive Quattro with the self-locking center differential is standard, optionally supplemented with the sport differential. It actively distributes torque between the rear wheels during fast cornering and thereby makes the handling even sportier and more stable. The standard suspension system in the enhanced Audi A8 impresses with its balanced character. It combines sporty driving fun with confident comfort, due in part to the distinct driving profiles that the Audi Drive Select handling system has on hand. The adaptive air suspension with controlled damping is standard. Progressive steering is another standard feature. The highlight of the enhanced A8 is the predictive active suspension. It can load or unload each wheel with additional power individually via an electric motor and thereby actively regulate the position of the chassis in any driving situation. Predictive active suspension gives the driving experience in the Audi A8 a fascinating range. When dynamic mode is on in the Audi Drive Select system, the large sedan shows its sporty side. It firmly turns into corners, the roll angles are small, and the body hardly dips when braking. In Comfort Plus mode, by contrast, it smoothly breezes over unevenness. Here, the steering works in conjunction with the front camera, allowing it to recognize unevenness within the system limitations and predictively regulate the actuators. In Comfort Plus mode, the predictive active suspension has a special feature. Its integrated curve tilting function reduces the lateral acceleration that acts on the occupants. Upon entering a curve, it elevates the side of the body on the outside of the curve and lowers the other side, thereby tilting it into the curve up to 3 degrees. At speeds between 50 to 80 miles per hour and lateral acceleration of up to 0.4 grams, cornering is scarcely noticeable. While driving straight in Comfort Plus, the predictive active suspension compensates for pitching movements in the chassis. To help with getting in and out of the car comfortably, the body raises and lowers itself by up to 52 inches. The wheel range for the enhanced Audi A8, which goes from 18 to 21 inches, includes 6 new designs from Audi and Audi Sport. In top versions like the Audi S8, Audi offers carbon fiber ceramic brake discs as an option. Comparable with video projectors, the digital matrix LED headlights use DMD, digital micro-mirror device technology. Each headlight has approximately 1.3 million micro-mirrors that break down the light into tiny pixels. This allows it to be controlled with maximum precision. One new function that this makes possible is lane and orientation lights for highways. Here, the headlights emit a carpet of light that illuminates the driver's own lane particularly brightly. Above all, this orientation light helps drivers intuitively stay in their lane at road construction sites. The digital matrix LED headlights can generate dynamic coming home or leaving home functions upon unlocking and getting out of the car. They shine like projections on the ground or a wall. The enhanced A8 comes with digital OLED rear lights as a standard feature. When ordering the car, there are 2 rear light signatures to choose from. When the dynamic Audi Drive Select mode is chosen, the lights change to a whiter signature that is only available in that mode. In conjunction with the assistance systems, the digital OLED rear lights have a proximity indication feature. If another vehicle comes within 6.6 feet of a stationary A8 from behind, all the OLED segments are activated. Additional functions include dynamic turn signals as well as coming home and leaving home sequences. The product enhancements only minimally change the dimensions of the Audi Flagship in the luxury sedan segment. The A8 has a wheelbase of 3.009.8 feet, length of 17 feet, width of 6.4 feet, and height of 4.8 feet. The body of the A8 follows the same principle as the Audi space frame. It is made up of 58% aluminum parts. The passenger compartment consists of hot-formed steel components, supplemented with an ultra-high-strength, extremely torsionally rigid rear panel made of a carbon fiber-reinforced polymer. Magnesium strut tower bars complete the lightweight construction concept. The body's commanding rigidity lays the foundation for precise handling, excellent comfort, and acoustic tranquility on board. The Audi A8L has a starting price of $98,900.